Welcome to Double Dimension. In this opportunity, we make a short video explaining what the LPI are. When a person starts in the world of lenticular printing is going to see and hear these acronyms. I'm going to zoom in quickly. We see PPI or DPI. On the other hand, LPI. When we mention these acronyms, it refers to the resolution of the equipment or printer we are using. When we mention LPI, it refers to the material, lenticular sheet. DPI or PPI means dot per inch. LPI means line per inch. In this video, we are going to emphasize what LPI is. For this, we're going to look at it in a practical way using a bond sheet. Now, I'm going to zoom out the camera so we can do the practical example. For this example, we use a metal ruler, a pencil and the bond paper. We mark 1 inch. Now we draw a line vertically. And the second vertical line. Here, we have 1 inch. Or 2.54 centimeters. All lenticular sheets have grooves or micro lenses that are distributed in equal spaces. That is, if we had a sheet of this size, and it has a lens or groove in this space, it would be a lenticular sheet of an LPI. Because it has a lens in this space. Now, if we divide this 1 inch into 2, we mark 1/2 inch. And make the line. Now, we have 1 line and 2 lines in 1 inch. This refers to 2 LPI. If we do the same, but with half of each line formed, it would look like this. One, 2, 3, and 4. I'll zoom the camera in a little. Now, we have 4 LPIs. This way, you can still distribute the desired number of lines within a 1-inch limit. Thus, the resolution of a lenticular sheet is established, and you get up to 50, 60, 75, 80, 100, 120, and so on with the acronym LPI. Now, when we have lenticular laminae of 4 LPI, it will not be difficult to distinguish by its large lenticules or grooves that will present the lenticular lamina. However, in larger LPI lenticular laminae, such as 50, 60, or 75, where their microlenses have been distributed and will be much smaller, it will be a little more difficult to detect them with the naked eye. For this example, we have a lenticular sheet. In this case, we have a clear plastic lenticular sheet. We place on this white base. I'm going to zoom the camera to be able to observe in detail. We zoom in as much as possible. The supplier tells us that this is a 50 LPI lenticular sheet. That is, there are 50 lines in 1 inch for this lenticular sheet. 50 slots or 50 lines. Since it is a transparent lenticular sheet, we need to paint it. We're going to be able to appreciate its grooves much more. I'm going to paint where the camera is. After I do the painting, we're going to press the lenticular sheet on the white base. We can see the grooves or lines that this plastic sheet has. In this case, being a 50 LPI lenticular sheet, we can appreciate the millimeter lines that go in a distribution of 50 lines in 1 inch. Translated with dpel.com, free version.